Hello, in this video I will show you how I added more weapons and enemies in my game. I am making a small hybrid casual roguelike game for mobile. It's similar to Vampire Survivor, but instead of vampire you kill animals, and so I am calling it Animal Survivor. Until now I had the game ready and it was playable, but it required some more weapons and it was missing the roguelike elements which are like power-ups after every certain amount of time. Right now the game only had up to 6 abilities, which are all the basic abilities like blast and nade. So I decided to make some more weapons to player when the player collects a trophy. Something like in similar to Vampire Survivor, as there is a trophy and you will get the power-ups. I just took a electric bolt and just placed it in Unity and made a player collect it by staying on the trophy for up to 5 seconds. And when 5 seconds are done, the trophy will be collected and you will get to choose the power up. So I decided to add 4 types of weapons: the damaging area, then the backpack. What will be the backpack? Also a flamethrower and missile. Like, why not missile, right? Missile to throw at animals. So making the damaging area was quite simple. I just asked ChatGPT to create a script which will spawn the damaging areas, and it will just spawn a fire effect and also damage the animals. Then after copying the code from ChatGPT, I put it on the player and now player has the damaging areas. Lot of damaging areas. Now to create the flamethrower, I got this asset, the particle effect, from the asset store, and I just took that and made the flamethrower. The flamethrower was quite simple to code, and it can be upgraded every time you collect the trophy, and the upgraded version will look something like this. I took the missile 3D model from Polypizza, and previously I actually made the enemy to throw missile at player, so I just took that code and reversed it so player can now throw the missile at enemies. Very simple, right? We are missing something. Oh, it's the backpack. I also added the ability to have the player a backpack, and the backpack will give another weapon. If you want to see what that weapon is, you have to wait and play the game yourself. Now as the more weapons were added, the game was feeling so pretty easy. So it was time I make some more enemies. So I took this gorilla model and lion model from Polypizza, and just like that I made some animations using Blender, and they are terrible. After that I added them into the achievement section of the game. So I was not happy with the player model, so I just changed it from something else, but I'm still not happy with this, so I will try to make something from Blender and I will put that in. So I made this customization for players because I'm going to make this game into multiplayer mode, so you can play with your friends as a co-op game, and it will be easy to understand what player is yours if there is a customization. Now I'm going to work on the multiplayer for this game, and I will post a video about that later.